Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. In earlier video student we have learned what is group by command and having clause. Now in this video student we are going to learn distinct command. Actually distinct as a keyword we are using in MySQL or SQL language. It is actually used to remove the duplicate value in a particular column. For example, we can say that if I have a column, I mean to say attribute class, there are number of the duplicate values are there, like 12 comes 2 times, 4 times, 11 comes 2 times, like that. If I want to duplicate, I'm say remove the duplicate value in a form of view option, that time I will use distinct keyword. So you can see a command is given here, display class in student table. Okay, that means to say different classes. So here select class from student, it will show you class 12th, 11th, 12th, again 10th, 11 again. Okay, but after using distinct command you can see only 12th, 11 and 10th has come. The here same here. So select distinct class from student. So we have to use distinct before the attribute to apply the distinct keyword for the particular attribute. We will do the practical also student. To do that student we have to open our MySQL command line. So as you know how to open, and after that you will type the password, that is root password. Now you can see, and I'm going to select I'm to say use my database, that is MyDB, and I will show you first my table. Select star from, that is student, and terminator. Now you can see table has come like this. So we are going to first of all apply this particular distinct keyword for class, and then after that we will see for city also. So here I am going to show you use of distinct keyword. So select, I am going to show you class only. So distinct keyword, then after that attribute name, and then from table name. Now you can see class has come, but in above table you can see 10th 2 times, 12th multiple time, 11th also I think single time only. So you can see after applying the particular distinct keyword, okay, the particular attribute shown me only original value, I mean to say non-duplicate value. Okay, we will try the same thing with the city also. So here select, then after that distinct city from student. Now you can see city has come like Pithoragarh, Almora, Delhi, Dehradun, Haldwani. So in above table you can see student, Pithoragarh repeated I think 4 times, Almora only once time, Delhi, okay, Dehradun and Almora you can see. So here are city multiple time, but in this particular table only single time has come. Now come to the theory part again. Now we are going to understand update command. In earlier video student I have teach you how to do the practical, okay, of update command. So we will read only theory part in this particular video. For the video, this command actually used to implement the modification of data values. So here is command update, here will be table name, set column 1 new value, column 2 if you have, and new value also where condition also. So here we are going to use syntax for this. Here is question increase fees value by 500. So command will be update student set fee equals to fee plus 500. So this means to say student, all student will have increase 500 value. Okay, all student, because here there is not use any kind of where condition, so it will update all students fee by 500. Okay, now increase the value by 100 for admission number 222. So here is condition applicable. So update student, set fees equals to fee plus 100 where admission number equals to 222. So you can see admission number 222 will definitely have the increment of particular fees by 1000. Now delete command. Okay, so delete command actually used to remove the information from particular row or rows. Okay, please remember this command will delete only rows information but not structure of table. So in student, this is important to know about that. Delete command actually delete only tuple or record of a table, I am to say relation. It can't delete the structure, that means to say table. Okay, so here delete from table name where condition. We can delete all the content also without using where also, but we are using one by one also. So you can see remove admission number, that is 444 information. So delete from student where admission number equals to 444. After doing that, you will see 444 will not come. So student, we are doing the same operation, not in this table. I will show you the another table that I have created earlier time. Select star from, that is data. So now you can see the table has come. We are going to apply the delete command in this table. So if I want to delete the person detail whose TA is 2500, or we can say the 8000. Okay, so we are going to delete that record of 8000 TA person. Okay, so here delete definitely from table name is data where TA equals to 8000, then terminator, hit the enter. After doing that, you can't see the output. To see the output, you will just type the above command again. Now you can see the 8000 TA person is deleted, whose value is 8000 TA. The Pushkar is deleted. Okay, and now we are going to understand the next one command of delete without using what thing, where clause, I am to say where condition. In this condition, everything will be deleted. Okay, so we will perform the same, student. So we will do select delete from table name is data, and I don't use here condition. So you can see completed. Here message has come 3 row affected, that means to say nothing will be there. It will show you empty set. Okay, and now we are going to understand alter table command. We have done this practical in earlier video also, how to use alter table command. So let's understand theoretically. This command actually used to implement modification of structure of table. So here understand it, student, modification of structure of table, that means to say we are going to change the object, that is relation, like adding an attribute, removing attribute from the table. And this is a DDL command, data definition command. Okay, it is used to command we can add new column, remove the existing column, modify data type of existing column, like that. This will helpful for us when our structure is designed. After that, after entering the data, we realize the data should have more space to enter the name, like that, address. In that time we use alter table command. Okay, so it's a syntax like that. Alter table, table name will be there, then we can use one of the optional value like add, modify, drop, column name, that's it. So here in data only I will perform this same. First of all, I'll add the value in a what thing, data table. So insert into, here is table name is data values. If I am not wrong, I have to put the same type of value. So here suppose that Gajendra, then second name is Kumar, then a TA suppose that 5000, DA suppose then 1500. Okay, and after that terminator. So here one column I missed, DA will be 500 and suppose that TA is 1500. So now you can see data has inserted. If I'll show you the data again, you can see one person is in my record. I am to say one record in my data table. Now student, we are going to add a new attribute in existing table, that is data. So what we are going to do, students, so according to the study material, we will alter table. So alter, here is table, then table name is definitely data. Add, here we will use definitely column name. So column name, suppose the city, varchar, within that we can say that 20. So now you can see one table attribute has added here. So if I'm just going to show you, city has added here. Okay, and if I'm going to add a new attribute here, so what I will do, student, I will do one thing. I will add a new attribute, suppose that pin number, that is postal index number, and its value, suppose that character, and it contain only 6 digits. So you can see command is same, alter table, data, add pin, enter. So you can see a new attribute also added here. Okay, now student, we are going to change the data type of pin attribute here. So what we are going to do, we will type alter, then after that table, data, then modify, okay, then write pin. In this condition the pin was character 6, in this I will change integer. So now you can see the data type has been changed of pin. So if I am going to see, select star from data, so now you can see same thing will come, but I have not updated the details. And now we are going to learn how to remove the column I mean to say attribute. So simple command it is, student. So here alter table, then after that we will say data, drop. Okay, what we are going to drop, pin number. So simply we have to type this command, and now after that you can see the pin is deleted from here. Okay, and now how to drop the table. Okay, if I want to drop a whole table, what will happen? So it will actually remove the entire structure of table. Okay, not record, it will delete that table. So before this deleting a table, I want to teach you how to update the detail. Okay, so in other video, student, earlier video I have teach you how to in other video, student, I have teach you, student, in other video, student, I have teach you how to update a table. So once we are doing the same, student, so here update table name is data. Okay, set city equals to, suppose then within that Delhi. Okay, and I will terminate it. I will say do this, and now you can see Delhi has updated here. Okay, and now we are going to delete a table. So let's see how to delete a table. So here simply drop command, drop definitely table name, after table command data. So here you can see table is deleted. If I want to show my tables in this database, so I can say that show tables. In this only student table is existence. Okay, it meant to say this table is deleted now. So I hope, student, you have learned today's practical, and we have covered in this video how to add a attribute, how to remove the attribute, distinct key, how to change the data type of an attribute, and how to drop the table also. Till then, student, thank you and have a nice day.